What's good, YouTube? So guys, we're back again with another video. So today we're completing task 10.14 in the new era accounting textbook grade 11. So required, complete the information in the creditors payment schedule below. Calculations must be rounded off to the nearest rand. We might even get decimals, guys. It's normal. Additional information. The markup on cost for January will apply for the rest of the budgeting period. The percentage of credit purchases on total purchases will remain the same for the budget period. Payment to creditors is made after 30 days. A discount is received from creditors. Okay. 10.14.2. Calculate the following for December. The existing markup also exists. Okay, we won't do that. We'll only complete the creditors payment schedule because that's what we're here for. Alright, let's start. So right here we have the 60,000 and the gross profit is 20,000. So you remember when we were doing the income statement, we used to say sales minus cost of sales, cost to gross profit. So it's kind of easy what we're going to do here. So just saying sales minus cost of sales, cost to gross profit. For us to get the amount, let's just say 60,000 minus 20,000. It gives us 40,000. But we know that cost of sales stays inside the brackets. So it kind of makes sense now. So now, to get the cash purchases, we need to say 40,000 minus 30,000 equals to 10,000, meaning the cash purchases are 10,000. Alright, so now we're moving on. Purchases, we need to first check the percentages each. So we're going to say 20,000, 40,000 times no, we need to first. So guys, for us to check the percentages, so we need to say 30,000 for credit purchases. To check the percentage, so we need to say 30,000 over 40,000, then times 100 over 40,000 times 100, 75. So credit purchases are 75%, and then obviously these ones will be 25%. But for us to make sure, let's just say 30,000 times what we want the 25, we have the 75. See, 10,000. This is the 10,000. So for us to check for the February cash purchases, we need to say 47,000 times 75 over 100, what we want over what we have. So 35,250 is our credit purchases. And then our cash purchases are what we want 25, we have 75, 11,750. This is our cash purchases. And then now I think we're done for what you call February. Moving on to March, we're going to do the very same thing we did in February. So now 64,200 times 100 over 150, 42,800 is our cost of sales. Then our gross profit, 64,200 minus 42,800 give us 21,400. is our gross profit. And then now 42,800 times 75 over 100 for our credit purchases, it's 32,100. And then for our cash purchases, 32,100 times 25 over 75, 10,700. And then now for our payments to creditors, it says payments to creditors is made after 30 days. A discount is received from creditors. They did not tell us the discount that is received from creditors. We need to calculate the discount we receive from creditors. Sorry guys for that. So guys, for us to get the discount that they are looking for, you need to take the right, they said payments to creditors is made after 30 days. So in January we pay them in February. So in February this is what we pay them, and then this is what we borrowed. So now for us to get the percentage, we need to say 29,250 minus, no, not minus, divided by 30,000, and times 100. 97.5% is what we have paid them. Ne? So now we need to take 100 minus 97.5. It will give us 2.5. So 2.5% discount is what we have. So now for us to get the match payments to creditors, we need to say 35,250 times what we want. We want the 97.5, we have the 100. So this is what we're going to pay them, right? They said calculations must be rounded off to the nearest rand. So we're going to write 34,369 rand as what we have paid them. So for us to get the April, still going to do the same thing again, times 100 over 150, 41,200 as our cost of sales. Then for us to get our gross profit, pretty much easy, minus 41,200 give us 20,600 as our gross profit. And for us to calculate our cash purchases, we've been doing this. Let's start by calculating the credit purchases. 41,200 times 75 over 100. It will give us 80,900. Then for us to get our cash purchases, times 25 over 100 over 75. The 75 is this one. That's why I'm saying 75, because it's the credit purchases. 10,300. So now we're moving on. For us to get our payments to creditors, we need to take the 32,100 times the 97.5% times 100. We want the 97.5 because that's the amount that we are paying them. So now pretty much easy, 31,298. Pretty much we done with the creditors payment schedule for task 10.14. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.